Kia has been recognized as the #1 mass market brand for 4 consecutive years. This plant contributes 40% of that volume every single year. We manufacture 3 products: Kia Sorento, Kia Optima, and the Kia Telluride. Telluride is only made in West Point, Georgia, and exported to different countries throughout the world. Our proximity to the Atlanta airport, the Georgia ports, rail, all of these things are really key to why Kia located in this particular site. We have visitors that come in every so often and ask, how have you achieved J.D. Power #1 for the last 4 years? It's really easy. It's the people here. From day one, we started working with Georgia Quick Start. They helped to set up a training program to teach individuals who'd never been in the automotive sector how to build a quality product. We recognized a need to develop the workforce for the future, so we've been actively involved in that K-12 through the Department of Education, where we're trying to get kids interested in STEM initiatives. Looking at the next level, the Technical College System of Georgia is where we look for individuals with a maintenance or industrial technology background. We have co-op students that come in here from various universities within the state of Georgia, and they're not only gaining experience, but we're learning from them about new concepts, and it's just a different set of eyes for us to bring back into our picture. So I think our collaboration between the state of Georgia and our subject matter experts here was really critical to our success.